I can instantly tell the texture of this one is perfect, and I'm really looking forward to trying this. Our two sorbets, lemon sorbets, perfect scooping. The small one here is our Ninja Creami. Let's dig into that one. Texture is amazing. It's so good. I'm always disappointed when I buy sorbets from stores, scoop shops, whatever, because it just doesn't cut the mustard. The texture is like really icy with not a lot of flavor. And those are the two main things you need for a sorbet. You need that texture to be absolutely spot on. You need that flavor to be spot on. Without both of those, perfect. A sorbet will always let you down. And Ninja Creamis do sorbets better than anything else. Let's try the churned one. Ever so slightly lighter. It has the strange effect of being less cold. And that's because there's a little bit of air incorporated in during the churning phase, which is how it's meant to be. But to be fair, the Ninja Creami does an excellent job with sorbets. It just creates an ever so slight difference in texture. I love seeing those flecks of lemon zest in there as well. And to me, it creates a better aesthetic to see exactly what it is. It's creating that flavor. There's no artificial flavorings in here. Pure, unadulterated lemon sorbet. Perfect lemon sorbet. Let's get some higher protein meringue on top. Let's torch this. What do we have there? Lemon meringue sorbet. Shit, that's good. Honestly,